Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Vivid-Pix, maker of Restore software to bring faded photos and documents back to life, has partnered with Fujitsu to create Vivid-Pix Memory Station. CEO Rick Voight says it allows users to scan multiple photos, as many as 10, at the push of a button and restore them as well.
After you press that, it automatically scans, separates them into individual images. You can rename them individually or just leave them with date.
And use Restore as needed. The system could be a valuable addition not only to homes, but to libraries and senior living facilities as well. The software alone, which we've long been a fan of, you can test out for free at vivid-pix.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.